Showty Hood Production present Zo Creole Lessons, the best Haitian Creole school who's gonna teach you the best Haitian Creole. Get ready for this.
Hello everyone, this is your friend Young Shorty or your teacher Shorty. Today we're gonna work on the Haitian alphabets or the Creole alphabets. Today I'm so excited to do my first class with you, which is Haitian alphabets or Creole alphabets. Please give me your attention. It's really easy to know, it's really easy to understand. Please just give me your attention and listen to me carefully right now. B, sh, e, e, g, ash, i, z, k, l, m, n, eng, o, st, we, ya, z. The Creole lesson has 32 letters, and I forgot to give you one of the letters. The one that I forgot to give you is the fifth Creole alphabet. It's right after the letter sh. The letter that I forgot to give you is the letter d. It's the fifth Creole letter. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy and like the lessons. May God bless you. Thank you very much. Have a good day or have a good night, wherever you are.